Hey, I'm Ryan with Warner Discovers, and today we're going to look at the G4 Doorbell Professional PoE Kit. Now recently our original G4 doorbell died, so we upgraded to the Professional PoE Kit. Unfortunately right now on their site you can only get the kit, so it does come with a chime. Luckily we don't have a chime already, so we ended up getting this. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. That's funny. Now obviously this has been out for a while, but I thought I'd just do an unboxing when I got it in. So right when you open it, you have the chime and the doorbell itself. The doorbell itself is definitely a little bit larger compared to the original G4 doorbell. As you can see here, the multiple sensors, the camera, a little screen, as well as a package camera, fingerprint sensor, and the doorbell button itself. On the back, there's a protective area that covers the Ethernet jack for the PoE in. Then we have some screws, installation guide QR code. Then we have the metal bracket itself. Then we have another alternative bracket, a guide, as well as a level, the angle bracket. And then for the chime, they have a nice little door in the inside, and that comes with a bracket for the drywall, as well as a nice magnetic cover to cover the screws. Then a guide and another bracket for the chime, screws for the chime, then the actual chime itself with an Ethernet jack on the back, which is powered by PoE. So there you have it, everything that comes in the box. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to getting this set up.